the unsung hero of car ownership. Why small maintenance matters. Most car owners focus on major services and MOTs, but true reliability hinges on consistent attention to detail. Modern vehicles are complex systems where even minor failures can cascade into larger, more dangerous problems. Ignoring these small issues isn't just inconvenient. It compromises safety, comfort, and long-term cost-effectiveness. Why neglecting the details adds up. Cars depend on dozens of parts functioning correctly. A stiff door hinge, a slow leak, or worn wipers seem harmless individually, but they create stress, reduce safety, and accelerate wear on other components. This isn't about catastrophic breakdowns. It's about preventing a chain reaction of issues that drain your wallet and your peace of mind. The 5-minute checks that make a difference. Addressing these small problems is usually straightforward. The trick is to make it a habit. Here are several key areas to monitor. Fluid levels, coolant, oil, brake fluid, and washer fluid are essential. Check them every 2 weeks. A quick inspection prevents serious engine or braking failures. Tire condition. Tires are your only contact with the road. Under or overinflated tires affect handling, braking, and fuel economy. Check pressure monthly and inspect tread depth. Lights. Walk around your car regularly to ensure all lights work. A broken indicator or brake light is a safety hazard and a potential traffic stop. Wiper blades. Deteriorating blades reduce visibility in rain. Replace them when streaking occurs. It's a cheap fix with high impact. Boot mechanism. Worn struts can cause the boot lid to fall unexpectedly, creating a safety hazard when loading. Replacing them is easy and inexpensive. Beyond the basics, brakes and proactive checks. Don't wait for brake squeal to get them checked. Annual brake inspections prevent costly repairs and ensure safe stopping power. Similarly, be curious about your car. A quick walk around before driving, a glance at the dashboard, and regular fluid checks take minutes but save hours of frustration. Knowing when to call a pro DIY maintenance is smart, but know your limits. If you're uncomfortable with a repair, don't risk it. A trusted mechanic ensures the job is done right, preventing further complications. A reliable car isn't just one that starts every morning. It's one that behaves predictably under pressure. That predictability comes from consistent, attentive care, not just an annual overhaul.